What's good, YouTube, man? You already know what it is. Coming to you on this actual New Year's Eve. I actually just got off work. And this is gonna be a simple video, man. It's gonna be a real simple, straight to the point video. Not that I do a lot of crazy editing like that, but I just wanted to get this out before the end of the new year. As you may see by the description, everything going on, this is just really a thank you video. Because just before Christmas, I received a package in the mail. Wasn't really expecting one, to be honest with you, not at all, just like, family-wise, things like that. But come to find out, it was from a fellow YouTuber, and a fellow YouTuber I consider a friend, by the name of Major League Hatz. And the reason why, and it's kind of crazy, like I said, I don't even know how to do this kind of video, because it wasn't expected. Definitely wasn't asked for. You know what? He's a genuine guy, man. I consider him a friend. We've messaged before. We talked over messages. Haven't really had time to really, do actual phone conversations, but we message all the time. I first recognized him when he jumped on my channel first, I believe, and we've pretty much been a fixture on each other's channels ever since. Like it never fails. I will always say, if one thing I can count on, no matter what I do, no matter what video I put up, he's there. You know what I'm saying? He's definitely gonna be there since he started. And his channel, if you haven't checked it out, his channels came a long way from when he first started, or at least from when I first noticed him when he first came onto my channel. I mean, I'll say honestly, he's definitely exceeded where, I do, a lot of different things on here, and also fitted hats, because I do love fitted hats, but this guy loves his fitted hats. I mean, he has Copa teams, minor league, major league. He knows his history, knows everything. I actually enjoy his channel. Let's be honest, a lot of people will watch people's channels, but I actually enjoy watching his channel. You know what I mean? He's a funny guy. He's a stand-up guy. He's looked out for me numbers of times on things. Case in point, when that Fear of God had released, that was a hard L I took, and he just so happened to come up on one, and he came up on one in a size 8. Long story short, you seen the video. That was much thanks to him. But like I said, without getting too long-winded about it, like I said, I almost forgot about that, but getting into the package he sent, of course it is a hat, and of course I already opened it because I didn't know what it was, and of course, like a kid on Christmas, I wanted to open it before Christmas, and I did. And what was crazy about it, it came in a little envelope. And I know he's the kind of guy, he wouldn't expect you to do this or that kind of thing, but I'm going to read it. Major, I'm going to read it. You know what I mean? It's simple. It just says, "Merry Christmas from the Hatz family." And like I said, to take the time to do this kind of thing, to me, it was a big deal. That's why I want to do this video. I told him I was going to do the video. You know what I mean? I don't know if he was for it or against it, but I wanted to do this video because he didn't have to do this. You know what I mean? He went out of his way to do this, and I'm thankful for it, which is why I did the video, because to me, sometimes a simple, selfless act, you know what I mean? Some people may say it's just a hat or whatever the case is, but there should be a little more of that, you know what I'm saying? Recognize people for the good things that they do and for the good people that they are. And this is what he got me, and it's kind of coincidental. If you've watched my channel, you've seen I've started buying a lot of New York Yankees hats. And for this hat to just drop off here, for him to grab this for me, to me, it was just kind of crazy. If you notice, literally no more than my video before last video when I did the kicks, it was literally 2 Yankees hats. So this one, the colorway, I'm digging it, because if you know me in shoes, I'm always going to have a navy. I'm always going to have a red. So to me, and I'm a big fan of, I like side patches. What am I going to say? I like side patches. So I think that was pretty dope. Has a little American League patch on it. You got your New Era. You know what I mean? And it's 4th of July. Oh, and thank you, because it's my first 4th of July collection fitted. I didn't have any. Now that I can actually say I have one in this team and in a team logo that I like, that's pretty cool to me. You know what I'm saying? Because I've been a fixture, like, I've liked New York, but I always said their logo just seemed like kind of like LA, just kind of plain but iconic. So I've just been leaning towards more getting a lot of just New York stuff, and it's been turning out well. I've been getting a lot of, you know what I mean, a lot of nods with it, wearing them with my kicks and everything. So I'm sticking with it, and this will definitely get run because of how this looks and the colorway. I'm gonna get a lot of looks for it because you already know I'm gonna match this with a good pair of kicks, man. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I definitely appreciate the gift. It will get some run, and you will see it on Instagram when it gets run, because if it's one thing I do, I will post my fitteds and my kicks when I rock them. So, again, this your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man, with a special thanks to Major League Hatz, man. I definitely appreciate the gift. I'm pretty sure some people from my channel are on his, and from his channel, vice versa. So, definitely, if you see this video, man, stop by his page. Give him a shout out. He's a dope guy. Check out his channel. I'm going to try to hit you with the link to his channel down in my description. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here and let you guys enjoy y'all New Year, because there probably won't be a lot of people watching YouTube on New Year's Eve, because if you're like me and this is literally New Year's Eve, I'm going to get into something. So I'm going to get up out of here. You guys be safe. This your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Looking forward to doing more big things in 2020. I'm going to holler at y'all in 2020. Until the next one. We got things to show, we got things to review, we got more hats and kicks to buy, man. So y'all be safe out there, like I said. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff from last year to this year. And I'm going to holler at y'all, man. Y'all be safe. I'm gone.